When you have finished coloring and adding your 3 examples of how to find math in our everyday life, we are going to finish by setting up our table of contents page. So right next to your where can we find math page, which remember we said was page 4, on the right hand side you're going to write a 5 and put a circle around it. At the top at our blank area, we're going to write the words table of contents. After you're finished writing table of contents, you're very carefully putting a line underneath to remind us what we're going to use this section for. Then skip one line, and on the second line, where you see this red little faint line going straight down, we're going to use that as a column to separate the date of a lesson, and then on the right, and on the left, you're going to put the lesson name. And once again, underline it. We will start inserting our lesson name and dates when we start our first lesson. After you're finished with the setup of the first table of contents page, which we said was page 5, very carefully make sure you're lifting just the single page to look at the back of that page. On the top left corner, right, the next page is going to be page 6. On the opposite side, on the right page, you are going to write page 7 in the top right corner. Then flip one page again. So we're looking at the back of that page, and you're writing an 8 in the top left corner. And the last one we're going to do is on the opposite side, on the right page at the top right corner, you're writing a page 9. This will ensure that you have enough space in your notebook to write all the lessons that we will go through in our 4th grade year. And it will also help you to keep yourself organized, so when we start inserting our lesson pages, you have the right pages to go before our lessons begin. The last thing you need to do for your math notebook is going to be taking your multiplication song pages, turning it to its side, and folding them so you're making it smaller to store inside your math notebook. So where you are supposed to store is when you take your math notebook, open up the front cover. Between the page that says cubes, that's our word problem strategy, and your title page that says your name's math notebook, we're going to set our song sheet right inside, and when we close our notebook, it's going to hold it nice and tight in there, so anytime I ask for your multiplication song packet, you will know exactly where to go to find it.